Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 17. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.